Dinja l-poddata numru 463 fis-sensiela ta' mużika motiħor fl-imkien miegħi Tony Sant. Fil-poddata tal-lum se nisimgħu mingħand Sharp, Empire of the Ants u Angel Crypt. Nibdew b'din mingħand 40 Days of Rain.
I work all day from 9 to 5. Guess I'm gonna be doing it all my life. Go back home, turn on TV. There's Kanye, Kim. Oh God, please. She left a note to say she's gone, depressing like a Coldplay song. I wish I could remember her name. Yeah, I need a drink, 'cause I'm on the brink of a nervous breakdown. Yeah, I need a drink, so much more than you think. I'm a bad, bad boy. I call up Bob, let's hit the town. He say I got beer, come on round. We drink all night, tear up the place. Man, you should have seen the look on his face. Finish the beer, stay too far. It's hard to leave if you can't find the door. Yeah. Bob just laughs and then hits the floor. And I need a drink, 'cause I'm on the brink of a nervous breakdown. Yeah, I need a drink, so much more than you think. I'm a bad, bad boy. Yeah.
I Need a Drink minant 40 Days of Rain tlaqana l-poddatora f'essenzjala ta' mużika motiħor fl-imkien miegħi Tony Sant din tal-lumija numru 463 f'din essenzjala u il-poddati l-oħra kollha issibuhom anke permezz tal-website personali tiegħi li hija fuq tonysant.com. Llum għandna poddata pjuttost mużika tqila u ngħaddu mill-ewwel għas-silta li miss minn Għawdex il-grupp Sharp din isimha Free My Soul. Il-voċi ta' Rico Buġeja mek flimkien mal-komplement tal-grupp Awċej Sharp u smajna silta tagħhom Free My Soul. Permezz ta' dik il-website li semmejtilkom l-ewwel, jiġifieri tonisan.com, hemm mod mill-aktar faċli kif tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi, inhu biex dejjem nisma' minn għandkom is-segwaċi ta' din essenzjela ta' poddati b'mod partikolari meta tiġbdu l-attenzjoni għal xi ħaġa li forsi nkun nistanka ninkludi f'din essenzjela ta' poddati. Sabuni wkoll permezz tal-Facebook, it-Twitter, l-Instagram u naturalment il-YouTube fej kull ġimgħa toħroġ ukoll din il-poddata b'mod sħiħ b'verżjoni video, il-videos separatament issibuhom permezz ta' tonisant.com. U silta li miss ġejja minant id-duo Empire of the Ants li huwa Joe DeFiteni u Tin Raven, iġdina raħħom jisimha Utopia.
Every day I'm looking, I keep searching for something I know I'll find one day. And it isn't under here or over there, it's just a place where angels fear to play. But it isn't that alarming, just a feeling, a glimpse that's dancing inside my head. So I taste the joy of every day from town to town. I can't back down from what she said. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes so hard. Sometimes it's confusing, sometimes so sharp. Every day I'm looking, I keep searching for something I know I'll find someday. And it isn't under here or over there, it's just a place where devils fear to play. Now isn't that just charming, just a feeling, a glimpse of something better than here? So I taste the joy of everyone from town to town. I can't back down from what's been said. What are we searching for? What are we searching for? Utopia. Utopia. searching, keep feeling, keep loving, keep moving, keep grooving, keep breathing, keep playing, keep changing, keep searching, keep feeling, keep loving, keep moving, keep growing, keep breathing, keep playing, keep changing, keep searching.
Utopia mekmela minant l-Empire of the Ants. Għabel naddu għall-aħħar silta li għandi mħejja li kom l-lum tajb l-fakkarkom ukoll fil-rabta li għanna mal-M3P, il-Malta Music Memory Project li sibuħ fuq m3p.com.mt. Huwa proġett interessanti ferm li l-għaddej għal-bosta snin issa jek tmorru f'dik il-website qed tifmu sew xinija r-rabta tiegħu ma' din essenzjela ta' poddati. Dalwaqt joħroġ album ġdid il-grupp Angel Crypt. L-album se jkun jismu We Are the Dead. Minnu ħarġu din is-silta issa flimkien ma' dan il-video illi jisimha Serpent of the Somme. Dan huwa l-grupp Angel Crypt. Il-whistle ta' Serpent of the Somme minant il-grupp Angel Crypt ta' ġejna f'tmiem tal-poddata ta' non-lum ukoll fis-sensiela ta' mużika motiħor fl-imkien miegħi Tony Sand. Qabel nħallikom fakkarkom il-dettalji u l-kuntatt bħal dejjem huma permezz ta' tonysand.com u sa nerġgħu niltaqgħu darb'oħra jiena minn qalbi nawguralkom is-saħħa.